Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve keyword research with a SEMrush, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SEMrush account. Navigate to the Keyword Overview tool. Enter the seed keyword relevant to your niche. Analyze the keyword metrics displayed on the page. Take note of the search volume and keyword difficulty. Scroll down to find related keywords and their search data. Click on the Keyword Magic tool for an expanded view. This tool presents a comprehensive list of keyword suggestions. Filter the results based on search volume, intent, and difficulty. Select keywords that align with your content strategy. Use the questions filter to find common queries related to your keyword. Incorporate long-tail keywords for targeted traffic. Explore the organics section to analyze current ranking pages. Study the top competitors for your chosen keywords. Look at their page titles and meta descriptions for optimization ideas. Use the position tracking tool to monitor your keyword performance over time. Set up a campaign for the keywords you want to track. Regularly review and adjust your keyword strategy based on performance metrics. Consider integrating keywords into your content plan for better SEO. Utilize the topic research tool for content ideas and inspiration. Analyze the keywords your competitors are targeting to find gaps. Compile a final list of prioritized keywords for your content. Begin creating high-quality content around these keywords for maximum impact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.